Hi, Professor Jamner. So to access MindTap, you'll go into your Cengage account here. So you just go to cengage.com and sign in. Once you're in your account, this is what it should look like. And scroll down, and I created this course right here that's just called Demo. That's just a demo course that I can just show you around, you can play around with, and then you can turn it into the course you'll use, or we can create a new one for you. And we can customize all of this for you. So it's all pre-built the way you'll see it. But our team member, her name is Kelsey, she's on our team and she actually can do all of these customizations for you if you'd like. So what you'll be interested in for videos of interviews with people with disorders, in each of those disorder chapters, if you go to um, case studies and video activities, and then the video polling activity. So if you click on that, students will be prompted with the video. So these, again, you can play in your course just by pulling this up. It starts small, but you can just start it here. Okay, so I'm going to click out of there, pause it. So as you can see, it's small. Again, I just enlarged it. And then what we've done is created a poll around it. There's just a poll with a little quick quiz, and it basically gives students an idea of how they answered compared to their classmates and so on. So it's a quick little assessment that if you decide to use it for your class, great. If not, you can just use this for the video for students. Okay, so just to give you an idea of a couple other activities that are in here, um, the profiles in psychopathology is kind of a fun one for students because it takes a look at the lives of 6 individuals with this disorder, and some of them might be pop culture figures, some of them are figures in history. So I know this isn't what you were looking for with the video. I kind of already showed you that, but just so you know, this is another activity that could be kind of engaging and interesting for students. So they watch a quick little video first, and then on the next screen, my internet's a little slow, I apologize. So as you can see, some recognizable faces here, and students look at a historical profile, celebrity profiles, feature profiles of just some people, in the public. Um, and then they're asked to choose the disorder that best matches this profile. Okay, so just kind of an interesting activity. And then there are also case studies here. So these are not videos, but they look at cases here. Let me just show you really quick. And you can, play around with this. This is all customizable. We can hide anything you don't want to use. Just change it to practice. But here you're looking at Adam, who's 21. You're reading about him. And then answering just a couple questions below. Okay, so these are multiple choice. They're clicking some boxes here and then a drop down menu. What's interesting about this is uses Applia. It gives them a multiple attempts to answer questions, and they get feedback too. So as you can see, lots of feedback, and then they can click try another version, and the questions will change slightly. Okay, so you can see just a slight change, and they can hopefully try again, and then you can take their average, you can take the highest score, or whatever you'd like. And then beyond that, there are automatically graded quizzes and things like that. Mastery training is kind of an adaptive study tool for students that basically kind of teaches them not to cram. It gets them to study the key concepts. Again, I know that's not what you had in mind, but I just want to show you what's in MindTap, what's here. The last thing I'll show you is we do have more videos that you can add that are just in here. So if I click on Add Create and I click Activity, and then I go to Resource Center here, this actually has additional videos that might not be in MindTap, and you can filter. For example, I'd already filtered by psychological disorders. And then if I look at, like, for example, Susan, I can preview it, and then if I wanted to, I could add it to the course. So as you can see, then you can just add it to your course here. Okay, let me know any questions at all, and I'm happy to come to your first class to go over the MindTap registration process with students and anything I can do to make this easier and seamless for you and your students. Thank you.